Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Zabbix Server 7.0 on Ubuntu 22.04. This is my server information. Operating system Ubuntu 22.04, server IP address 10.66, 10.18, RAM, disk space, Zabbix version. This is pre-release Zabbix 7.0 alpha. PHP version 8.1, MySQL 8.0. Now I am checking server version and IP address. This is my server and this is my IP address. Must be your server update and upgrade using this command apt update and upgrade. Update and upgrade done. Now install some package. Some error. Just run this command dpkg configure, then run this command. Installation done. Now install PHP package. Now PHP installation done. Now create PHP info file. For checking PHP is working fine. Yes, PHP 8.1.2 is working fine. Now download Zabbix 6.5.1 deb file and then dpkg and then update this repo. And then install Zabbix package, Zabbix server MySQL, Zabbix frontend, Zabbix Nginx, Zabbix script and Zabbix agent. Zabbix package installation done. Now add install MySQL database server is already running, already installed. Start MySQL service, enable MySQL service and checking status is running fine. Okay, now step 2, configure MySQL database using database password. I am already changed my database password. This option is for a root password, MySQL native password setup. So this is already setting done. Yes, this is already setting done. So skip this step. This is for Zabbix required. Create database user Zabbix DB and create user with Zabbix password and then grant privilege, create insert and create with privilege and flash privilege, then exit from terminal. Now import default database using Zabbix user, created Zabbix user from database and password. Now wait at least 5 minute 5 or 6 minutes for default database import to your MySQL database, and then change set global settings, log trust function 0. This is settings is 1, port 80, and server name is IP address. Successfully database import done. Now change global setting to 0, and open Zabbix server conf file and change Zabbix DB name. This is DB and this is user, and scroll down. This is password. Then save and exit and open nginx file. Remove this comment section, and if you use your domain name, so must be enter your domain name here, and not needed 8080, just 84 for web. Now stop Apache. My server is already running Apache web server, so stop this service and restart Zabbix server, Zabbix agent, Zabbix nginx, and PHP fpm, and access your web server IP address. Complete web installation process using this, and default login username admin, a must be capital, and password is password. Now going to Zabbix setup file, Zabbix 7.0. Next step, all is working fine. Username is Zabbix_db, and user is Zabbix_user, and password is Zabbix123 @ this is my password. And next step, server name Zabbix, pre-installation summary, install, congratulations, successfully installed Zabbix frontend, finish, login, yes, dashboard view, Zabbix server is running, yes, version, this is Zabbix alpha 4 release. You can find more video tutorials from my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.